a tour bus was 710 full. After 1/5 of the tourists alighted at the first hotel, there were 28 tourists left on the bus. How many more tourists can occupy the remaining seats? Okay, now, if you don't understand what they're talking about, okay, let's draw the model to see what this story is about. So I know that the bus is 710 full. So I'm going to draw 10 parts, right? Based on my first fraction given, 7/10. So I'm going to draw my 10 parts. Okay, so we draw out and then we cut it up into 10 parts based on denominator. Okay. Right, we have 10 parts and then we are going to shade 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the one that is filled up, right? So filled with people. Next, you have the remainder here, right? So we ignore the remainder. This is the remaining seats. The unshaded one is the remaining. So I just put there remaining, no space. This is remaining. But I don't care about remainder. What I care is the people that fill up, the 7/10 of the bus that is filled up, 1/5 of the people in that bus, right, alighted. So I can draw a drop-down model like that. Okay, and I'm going to draw my 1/5. I drop it down and then I'm going to draw my 1/5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. All right, so what happened to these people? Only 1/5 alighted. This one alighted. And then what do I have? I have people left, right? Left means balance, not left as in go out, okay, or go off. Left means the leftover. So I have 28 people left over. Okay, now I want to know how many more tourists can occupy the remaining seats, which means I want to know this portion, right? And also the balance of the one that I already alighted. So let's focus on this model first from here. From this model, I can tell how many units is 48. How many units is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this is 4 units. And then my alighted is 1 unit, correct or not? If I use unit method, right? So 4 unit is 28. 1 unit is 28 divided by 4 equals to 7. Okay, now what I want to find is, I want to find the whole 5 units. This one first, which is 5 units, which is 5 times 7 equals to 35. So this is 35. So what is this 35 then? So if I bring it up again, this 35, if I bring it up, yeah, so okay. If I bring this up and I bring this up, isn't it back to the same 7 units on top just now? So my 35 is also 35 here. Can you see? So, but this 35 is how many units? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just now 35 was 5 units. Now 35 is represented by 7 units. Okay. So now I put here 7 unit is 35. Right? I go and find 1 unit first. 1 unit will be 35 divided by 7. I get 5. Now, I want to know my total number of seats first. Total number of seats, everything. How many units is the total? The total is 10 units. Let's find 10 units first, okay? 10 times 5 equals to 50. Do I want my total number of seats? No. I want to know the remaining seats that can be filled up. How many more people can fill up the remaining seats? Okay, right now, how many leftover people are there in the bus? 28, right? After these people alighted, I have 28 left, right? But my total number of people that can fill up the whole bus is 50. 50 is my total in the bus. Right now, I already fill up 28. Filled. How many more? I need 22 more to fill up full. Answer is 22. Okay? Understand?